From the dawn of civilization, humans have yearned for immortality. Myths and legends whisper of eternal life. We tell stories of fountains of youth and elixirs of life. Death, with its finality, has always been a source of fear and fascination. But what if death were not inevitable? What if we could unlock the secrets of aging and live forever? The quest for immortality is not just a product of our imagination. It is a deep-seated desire to transcend our limitations. We long to witness the unfolding of history, to experience all that life has to offer. The possibility, however remote, of conquering death is a powerful motivator. It drives us to explore, to invent, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. Today, science is making remarkable strides in understanding the aging process. Researchers are uncovering the intricate mechanisms that cause our bodies to deteriorate over time. We are beginning to identify the genes, the proteins, and the cellular pathways involved in aging. This knowledge is empowering us to develop interventions that could slow down or even reverse the aging process. Advances in fields like genetics, molecular biology, and regenerative medicine are paving the way for breakthroughs in life extension. Gene editing tools such as CRISPR offer the potential to correct genetic defects that contribute to age-related diseases. Stem cell therapies hold promise for repairing damaged tissues and organs. The emerging field of senolytics focuses on eliminating senescent cells, which are thought to accelerate aging. Beyond biology, technology is emerging as a powerful force in the quest for immortality. Artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, and robotics are converging in ways that could fundamentally alter our relationship with our bodies and our minds. Some futurists believe that these technologies could eventually allow us to transcend our biological limitations altogether. Nanotechnology, for instance, envisions microscopic machines that could repair our bodies at the cellular level, continuously combating aging and disease. Artificial intelligence could create digital copies of our minds, allowing us to live on in virtual environments. Some even speculate about the possibility of uploading our consciousness into new, more durable bodies, essentially achieving immortality through technological resurrection. The prospect of immortality, while tantalizing, raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. If we were to overcome death, what would it mean for our values, our beliefs, and our very sense of humanity? Would we become jaded and apathetic if life lost its finite nature? Would we still strive for greatness and meaning if time were no longer a constraint? The potential for social upheaval is also a major concern. An immortal society would face unprecedented challenges related to overpopulation, resource allocation, and generational equity. The existing social order, built on the assumption of finite lifespans, would need to be completely reimagined. The transition to an immortal society, if it were to happen, would be fraught with complexities and potential conflicts. Section 5. Overpopulation, a looming crisis. One of the most pressing concerns surrounding immortality is the issue of overpopulation. If people stopped dying, the Earth's resources would be stretched even thinner. We would need to find innovative solutions for food production, energy generation, and waste management. Space colonization might even become a necessity. However, proponents of immortality argue that technological advancements could mitigate these challenges. They envision a future with sustainable energy sources, vertical farming, and advanced recycling systems. They believe that human ingenuity, coupled with the extended lifespans that immortality would provide, could lead to solutions we can't even imagine today. Section 6. The transformation of humanity. The possibility of living forever raises fundamental questions about the nature of being human. Would we still value life in the same way if it were no longer finite? Would our relationships, our ambitions, and our fears change? It is likely that an immortal human would be a very different kind of being from what we are today. Imagine a world where people have centuries or even millennia to learn, to grow, and to experience. They could dedicate lifetimes to mastering various fields, traveling to distant stars, or simply enjoying the richness of existence. The very concept of a career might become obsolete, replaced by a fluid tapestry of pursuits and passions. Section 7. A new perspective on life. Immortality could profoundly impact our perspective on life. If death were no longer a looming presence, our priorities would likely shift. We might focus more on long-term goals and less on immediate gratification. Our values, our relationships, and our sense of purpose could all undergo a fundamental transformation. Imagine a world where people are less afraid of taking risks, of pursuing their dreams, of embracing the unknown. The fear of death often holds us back, preventing us from living life to the fullest. In a world without death, we might finally be free to explore the full potential of human experience. It is Section 8, Embracing the Unknown. The path towards immortality is fraught with uncertainties. We cannot predict with certainty what scientific breakthroughs will be made or what ethical dilemmas we will face. But the pursuit of knowledge, the desire to push the boundaries of what is possible, is a fundamental aspect of the human spirit. Whether or not we achieve true immortality, the quest itself is likely to yield invaluable benefits. By unraveling the mysteries of aging, we can develop treatments for age-related diseases and improve the quality of life for everyone. By exploring the possibilities of technology, we can create a future where human potential is no longer limited by our biological constraints. Section 9. A future without end. The idea of a future where death is optional is both exhilarating and unsettling. It challenges our deeply held beliefs about the nature of life and death. It forces us to confront profound questions about our values, our purpose, and the future of humanity. But even if immortality remains elusive, the pursuit of this ancient dream will continue to shape our future in profound ways. The quest for immortality is ultimately a reflection of our desire to transcend our limitations and to embrace the fullness of existence. Whether or not we achieve this ultimate goal, the journey itself promises to be filled with wonder, discovery, and the relentless pursuit of a future without end.